Hello everybody, welcome back to Olaf's Oldtimer. Been some time since the last video. Today is the best weather you can think of. It's I guess 5 degrees centigrade. It's dark, it's raining a bit, but for what I want to do today, this is just perfect conditions, because I figured for the car, which you don't see right now, but in a second, the lights are very dim because they're completely old, so I could exchange the whole unit or both units, which I don't want to do. I want to try to improve the light just with some new lamps, some reflection on here. I choose a set of Osram, a Nightbreaker 200, up to 200% more light. Well, this doesn't necessarily mean that the car is 200% brighter than before. It means that it's 200% more than the current European or German standard. I don't know, I think it's a European standard, requires. Still, this is one of the brightest lamps you can get on the market for the H4 format right now, 60 to 55 watts. And yeah, we will try to take or to capture the light performance as is by driving this car in front of my garage door, looking at the light performance there, then exchange the bulbs left side and right side, and then look at the performance again. So it's awful outside, so be my guest in doing so, and we will see how it turns out. So now you can't see me, but I think we got a good view on the light box. I never did it on this car, so please excuse if it looks a bit flimsy. Okay, the lid opens nicely. I saw in another video that somebody actually dismantled the bottle for the washer fluid. I hope we don't need to do this. Yeah, if you want to do something quick, I'm going to take out the bottle, not losing this one. Well, maybe the plug can stay on it. See it. Okay, let's put the bottle back. This is the bulb in question. That one is parking. No, this is fog light. I actually didn't want to touch that. Take off the plug, loosen the brackets, and then take out the bulb. You can see, oh, it's warm. It's like this. This needs to be on top, open at the bottom. I don't want to touch the new bulb because it shortens its lifetime, and if you throw it on the ground right away. It also shortens its lifetime. So let us see how we get those out of the box. That works. It's rather windy tonight, so just hoping the camera is not blowing off where it is right now. Okay, let's get this in, reattach the bracket, reattach the plug. That's how I like it, nice and fast. And then don't lose the old bulb. I mean, it's still working, it's not that bad. Lift the bottle again. Double check. And get the lid back on. In a way that it's completely closed, not open to any water entries. Clamp number 1 and clamp number 2. It's extremely nice to work on this one with cold hands. Make sure you get this one back on again. So washer fluid bottle is attached completely again. Actually, it's tight, but it's a nice design that you can lift this one up so fast. Okay, this was side 1, the complicated one. The driver's side, a lot nicer, and I'm not going to bore you with my video. Maybe I do, because here you can see it even better, because I don't have to dismantle anything. Oh. It looks different. So unplug the connector nicely. I think we have a new lamp in here. It looks completely different. Open this clamp, take out old bulb, store it safely. Jesus, it's so windy. Take new lamp, put it in, reattach those clamps, unplug, no, replug. Done. This side is nicer. I like this a lot better. Lid back on, clamp 1 and clamp 2. Old lamps, as they are still okay in condition, we'll try to put them in the box. I guess I'll bother with this later, how I can get them in here. And now we'll do the new test, the test with the new light, and see how bright this is. So, told you this is going to be a quick one. And as you can see, the lights are on. Those lids are back in place. And not in correct place. So I have to redo this one. This is also why it didn't close nicely on this side, because down there it did not put it in correctly. But well, you know, sometimes you gotta do things twice. So this is correct position. Yep. And all of a sudden the clamp is closing easier. What a miracle. Okay. Now really everything is back in fine condition. And what I could see is that maybe you can't see it on camera, but the driver's side light is in a way better condition than the passenger side light. Well, that's it for tonight, guys. Guys and gals. Have a good one. Stay safe and healthy. Until next time.